Morgen Barroso of the class of 2022 will deliver remarks on behalf of the Juris Doctor graduates of the Day Division.
I made it up here without tripping, so that's my first victory of the day. A warm and heartfelt welcome to all the deans, faculty, distinguished guests, family, those watching online, and to all the people who were dragged here against their will and have been here since 9 o'clock this morning. Thank you all for coming. While writing this speech, I was told to make sure to get my thank yous in. Thank you to the professors who answered all of my questions, mentored me, and went above and beyond in providing me guidance. Thank you to my parents. You've provided invaluable support throughout this journey. And after listening to me drone on about case law and research for the last 3 years, this JD is just as much yours as it is mine. And while I'm at it, I would like to say my apologies. Everybody warns you when you go to law school that you're going to have so much work. Check. You are going to have so much debt. Double check. And you're going to have no life, which is completely correct. What nobody tells you is that law school makes you completely obnoxious. I'm sure that some of us came this way. The kid on the first day of orientation who started out playing devil's advocate, he definitely came that way. But I don't think that that was the rest of us, and I have no idea when it happened. 1 minute, I'm carefree. I had this thing called a weekend. I talked with friends who were not law students about nothing. And the next minute, I'm home for Christmas, unironically using sine qua non in casual dinner time conversation about ingredients for stuffing. And in case you're wondering, it's fresh rosemary. Fresh rosemary is sine qua non for stuffing. And yes, because you're wondering, I did hate myself immediately after the words came out of my mouth. And I am so sorry because I do think that law school did that to me. I'm sorry to my boyfriend, Zach, because you're never going to win an argument again. Being right all the time is a blessing and a curse, let me tell you. And I'm sorry to my roommates, Lindsay and Maggie, for having to deal with both ends of my stress spectrum, both my Zen yoga practice as well as my neurotic color-coded day planner and highlighter system. I am not sorry for starting the book stand trend 1L year. Your necks are welcome. I am sorry for becoming so boring. I know that my parents really didn't want to hear about the creditor protections and business organizations. That was a rough unit for them, and that was very hard on me too. I'm sorry to my friends who will forever have their problems analyzed like an issue spotter on an exam, especially when they don't ask for it. I'm not sorry for my recommendation that you seek out a real estate attorney, because that was really good advice. But again, I am not yet licensed under any state bar. That does not count as legal advice, and I am not your attorney. For worse or for the better, law school did this to us. I like to think it's for the better. Yes, we may be obnoxious. Yes, we may never be able to watch a Shonda Rhimes courtroom drama again without throwing the remote at the TV for an overwhelming number of inaccuracies. But we do have 3 years of memories that will last us a lifetime. Memories of highs and lows, stress hives and happy tears, nights at the half door and days at the library, countless, Professor, you're muted over WebEx, and even more hours in the classroom. We've overcome countless tests and hurdles, and I could not be prouder to have accomplished it with you all. I know this group of students will do amazing things, and I really hope you didn't think I was going to let you get away without an inspirational quote. So, as Gandhi says, you must be the change you wish to see in the world. And I know it, you guys are going to be big, big change. Now, if you excuse me, I have been waiting for my Elle Woods moment for 3 very long years. So congratulations, class of 2022. We did it!